COVID-19 has not only impacted human health care, but it's also ruffled the feathers on animal health care. Begging the question, what do we do when our furry family members get sick? I spoke with veterinarian Don Sessions to dig up some answers on this hairy topic. So we know COVID-19 has really made a big impact on human health care. We've seen the impact on hospitals, but what about our pets? Has this impacted the veterinarian industry?
Yes, it's hit us pretty hard. I think most of us veterinarians realize the need for us to keep pets healthy. So we've had to figure out ways of getting around direct contact with clients.
And tell me too, how are you working around the CDC guidelines and still managing to treat animals?
Most of us veterinarians have set up a cage system out around our clinic and our wraparound deck patio area in which the client calls from the parking lot and then places their pet in cabin number 1 or cabin number 2, and then shuts the door. They then go back to their car and we retrieve the pet. The pet's only there maybe 20 to 30 seconds.
You know, recently though, the CDC has said that if a person comes down with COVID-19, that we really should be monitoring our exposure to our pets. So as a veterinarian, what's your response to the potential that our furry family members could actually contract COVID-19?
So we think that ferrets may be able to get COVID, cats may be able to get it. We don't think they can give it to a human, but just to be careful, the IVMA and the AVMA is recommending that you do not take care of your pets if you're actively ill. You find someone else to give care.
Don, go ahead and give some advice for pet owners watching right now that want to make sure that they're keeping their pet's wellness in mind.
I think if you are ill, you should probably have some 6 to 10 foot social distancing from the pet. I think that if you're not ill, it is very important for people to get out and get some fresh air. But I also think that we need to be careful in keeping our pets healthy, because you don't want an emergency at this point. You don't want to have to do an exploratory for a bone that's caught or a toy that's caught. So I think we need to really watch our wellness and keep our pets healthy as best as we can, so we don't need veterinary care.
Thank you so much. Greatly appreciate your time. And thank you for everything that you're doing for our furry family members too.
Thanks, I'm trying.